today we talk about how can you find live on your YouTube TV app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go down here. You just click on live down here. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this, and here you will find all lives here. Can you select live you want to watch in this list here? You will find a lot of lives TV here. So in here can you select categories of live if you want to add sports or any of this here. So that's all you have to do to find your lives. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So that's all. Thank you for your watching.